Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today you are going to learn Madani Qaida lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, the letters of Madda. Let's learn some rules first. So rule number 1, this sign is called sukoon jazm. A letter which has a sukoon jazm on it is called sakin. Dear viewers, open the next page. Look at the second box in line 1. You can see the letter Waw has a sign on top of it. This sign is jazm. Look at the third box. You can see the letter Ya has a sign on top of it. This sign is jazm. And because Waw has jazm on it, so Waw is sakin. Ya has jazm on it, Ya is sakin. Any letter that has jazm on it is called sakin. For example, if the letter Jim has jazm on it, Jim is sakin. If the letter Noon has jazm on it, Noon is sakin. If the letter Mim has jazm on it, Mim is sakin. So any letter, whether it is Ba, Jim, Dal, Noon, Sod, Sin, any letter that has jazm on it is called sakin letter. Let's go to the next rule. The sakin letter is read with the mutaharrik letter coming before. For example, in the same box, in the second box, line 1, you can see Waw is sakin, and before Waw sakin, Ba is mutaharrik. Ba has zabr on it, Ba is mutaharrik. So you have to read Waw sakin with Ba mutaharrik, like Ba, Waw, Pesh, Bu, like that. And in the third box, you can see Ya is sakin, and before Ya sakin, Ba is mutaharrik. So you have to read Ya sakin with Ba mutaharrik like that. Ba, Ya, Zer, Bi. Next rule. There are 3 letters of Madda. They are Alif, Waw, Ya. When there is a Zabr before an Alif, it becomes Alif Madda. For example, Ba. When there is a Pesh before a Waw sakin, it becomes Waw Madda. For example, Bu. When there is a Zer before a Ya sakin, it becomes Ya Madda. For example, Bi. Let's see the examples in the lesson. Please open the next page. Look at the first box in line 1. You can see Alif in this box, and before Alif, Zabr is coming. So this Alif is Alif Madda. Look at the second box. You can see Waw sakin in this box, and before Waw sakin, Pesh is coming. So this Waw is Waw Madda. Look at the third box. You can see Ya sakin, and before Ya sakin, Zer is coming. So this Ya is Ya Madda. Next rule. Pronounce the letters of Madda by stretching them up to 1 alif, that is up to 2 harakat. That means you have to pronounce the letters of Madda, Alif Madda, Waw Madda, Ya Madda by stretching up to 1 alif, up to 2 harakat. For example, Ba, Bu, Bi, like that. You have to pronounce by stretching. Let me teach you line 1 and line 2, and you have to read rest of the lines by yourself the same as line 1 and 2. because all lines are same. Just the letters are different, but the method is same. Let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ba, alif sabar ba, ba, واو پیش بو، با یا زیر بی، با بو بی، تا الف صبر تا، تا واو پیش تو، تا یا زیر تی، تا تو تی. Next line. Tha alif sabar tha, tha واو پیش ثو، tha یا زیر ثی، tha ثو ثی. جیم الف صبر جا، جیم واو پیش جو، جیم یا زیر جی، جا جو جی. So you have to read rest of the lines the same as I taught you line 1 and 2. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ala Muhammad.